everybody, this is Lavisha. I'm an intern here. I have been interning for like past 3 months. A great stint, and I'll be continuing for a few more days now. It's going great. We are working on different verticals, let it be AI, let it be procurement, media, etc. The other co-founder, who is Anil, we were sitting and chatting on how fashion can be evolved in AI, and right now the advent of AI is on scale. So we started discussing, and right now I'm building, not just me, but it's a whole team, and I'm trying to build all of them together to build the product again. Number one, the people who set the tone over here. Number two, the play. That is the game that we play here, that I get to learn a lot of things. And number three is what I do on ground. Learn a lot of stuff, not only from people, but also different products that we are bringing upon here at Glassworks. The day begins with starting on the real projects that we are working on. Then I am leading right now the AI vertical. So I work upon that, a few of brand research, and the day ends by that. When we are going for any kind of internship or a smaller stint as well, is to get a lot of opportunities and networking. And you get both of them here together to scale at a moment where you are just a student, but also you have a lot of other opportunities available at your doorstep just when you walk in this office. So number one, what we study is a very old text, which needs to be changed. Although university is trying to change it, it is not as per the curriculum a student would want, what the industry expects out of us when we get out of a college, but still we find it irrelevant. So I believe it needs to change. Number two, the industrial exposure that is required by a student when we actually go out and look for a job. It's important that you know the games and the tricks of what is going on in the industry. And marketing, as we know, is evolving at such a fast pace and space right now. It's important that the curriculum that is being taught to us in college is in relevance and in line of what we are supposed to do in reality. Let it be brand, procurement, or anything else. We need to be updated on how things really work out. We really need to buck up in the kind of way we really work. So traditional way of working at a school or a college is much more slower in pace, I believe. But when you come out in the real world, you realize you're supposed to do 10 different things, but prioritize it well. So I believe doing workshops or some live courses for that matter will help a student gain better knowledge about the real industry and also pick us the right options when we go for job hunt.